Hi, I'm Ruth Linton and I work for the National Trust on the suite of sites that we have across the North Coast, cover about a 50-mile stretch, and I'm concerned with looking after our countryside. To us, kind of biological sciences, well, to me anyway, it's the study of natural processes and how that underpin our world. And for the National Trust, scientists are really important because they can inform us about how climate change may affect our properties, which as a coastal property group we're really concerned with, and also how things like mental health and well-being is impacted and improved by access to the outdoors for recreation, relaxation. So all of that's really important for us. As part of our working with the university, the students from Ulster studying biology come to the Causeway, and I took the most recent field trip. So we had essentially a guided tour around the site where we looked at sustainability of our building, of how what we do in the future may kind of be informed by sustainability studies, also how we could be impacted by things like climate change and change in coastal processes, because as a coastal site we are quite vulnerable to climate change, and over 60% of the coastline that the National Trust owns across England, Wales and Northern Ireland may be vulnerable to things like erosion, and over 120 properties may flood in the near future. So it's all very useful information for students to learn, and also they can maybe then go on and study this further, and what they can learn can inform what we do. So as part of our working with the university, we will provide kind of access to sites for research projects going on, whether or not that be PhD, postdoc, undergraduate students to do research on, it could be into rare species that we have. We'll also provide opportunity for student placements to come and do kind of a year placement out in our sites across the North Coast, and we also will kind of do exchanges where we'll come to the university and have a chat and talk to them about what we do and how maybe they could get into the industry of working in conservation as a whole.